Hey guys, my name is Justyce and welcome to Fitness in the Fale. A bit about me, I am Samoan, Maori, European, and I'm a dancer based here in Auckland, New Zealand. Today, I will be taking you all on an easy, cute little dance workout routine that you can do at home. So before we do that, just make sure everyone is comfortable, wearing something easy to move around in, water on the side, and yeah, we'll get started. Just make sure everyone is already warm. If not, this dance workout literally isn't too extreme, so you can literally warm up and just jump right in. Cool, so the first thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to step onto my right leg, and what I'm going to do is a side step. I'm going to step to the right, step to the left, step to the right, and step to the left. Cool, as I'm doing that, as you can tell, I'm adding a bounce to each step. So I'm going bounce and bounce, making sure that this leg meets the other leg every time I step. So let's just do that. And as you do it, you can find your own groove while you're doing it too. So I'm adding more bounce, and eventually I'm going to add arms. So I'm going to go tap and tap and tap and tap. Cool, super easy. So that's the first few moves. So you're going to go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you're going to stop here at 4. I want to see the light with this light. Ta, you're going to go switch. So you're really going to dig and dive into that. You're going to go ta, step again on your left leg, ta. So what it'll look like is this: 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Cool. Super easy. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Step, dive. Cool. After that move, you're gonna literally do the same kind of groove. You're gonna go step back on the right. You're gonna go 1 and 2. And I'm pretty sure it goes 1, 2, 3, light switch. You're gonna wait and pause a bit, wait for the beat to start again. You're gonna go boom, ta ta, and you're gonna do 2 more on this time. And you're gonna go step on the right leg. You're gonna go ta ta. With that move, you can see that my knees are coming up, and what I'm doing is basically I'm kind of looping through under myself. So I'm going loop, loop, one to the left, one to the right, and you're going to use the same leg and same arm each time. Cool. So you're going to go ta ta. Let's just do that groove for a few seconds. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Super easy. So how that comes into play is you're going to go, when you do the second round of these, you're going to go 1, 2, and you're going to get ready and prep. You're going to step on your right. You're going to go ta ta. From here, just to finish off this combo, you're going to go 1, 2, ta. And as that part, I'm literally going to squat into that, and I'm going to go boom. Really milk that out all the way to the left. So you're literally just doing a circle motion. Yeah? Alright. From the top, 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, ta, boom, ta ta, and boom, boom, ba. Cool. Let's try that part with music. I will show you first, and then we can all try it together. Yeah? Let's go. So feel free guys, just so when you're doing it, that you can add your own flavor and sauce to this routine. And yes, perform. When I say that, I mean use your face. Have fun with it mostly. Whew, a little bit puffed out. Okay, alright, cool. So now we know what's gonna work. If I'm puffed, then it means you're gonna be puffed too. So it's working. Alright, cool. So moving on. After this last move, you're gonna go 1, 2, ta. Sweet. From there, it's actually going to change. You're going to go ta, ta, boom. You're going to step on the left leg. Sorry, we'll do the arms first. So after here, you're gonna go, with your right arm, you're gonna go blade, blade. So you're gonna go blade, blade, blade. So I'm going up, angle, side. Sweet. This part when my right hand lands, it's actually the palm facing up. So I'm going palm down, palm up. Cool? When I'm doing that, as you can see with my torso, I'm actually shifting in between. Yeah? So I'm going opposite. And when you're doing that, you're also going to use your legs. You're going to go step, step, step. Yeah? And I kind of have this angle with my face, so I'm kind of looking to the right. Yeah? But see, that's what I mean about sauce. You can add your own little flares. You can look places to make them have more depth. If not, do it how you want to do it. Yeah? Cool. So you went boom, boom, ta. Then you're going to step blade. 1, 2, 3. From here, your wrist is going to roll. You're going to ta. This is a roll. You're going to step back on your left leg. Behind your right leg, you're going to go clap and da. So what I'm doing is with my hand, I'm just going ta and clap around. So I'm go again. So I'm going over, clap, and then I'm going to bring my right hand around my head. Yeah? Legs, you're literally going ta, step behind your right leg, step back on your right leg, and ta. So that's the ball change, yeah? You're going to go ta, 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 ta. Cool? Super easy, but we're going to add that together. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, roll, ta, ta, ta. So you do this when you land, and you do this when you step behind. So you're going to go again, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, ta, 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 and da. Cool. So from the top, super easy. It's going to go 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, ta, 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 and da, da, boom, ta, 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 ba, 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 ba. Sorry, I did a pause in between this one. There's no pause, it goes straight away. So you go 1, 2, 3, ta, 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 ba, 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 ta, and da. Cool? So just keep that in mind, yeah? We'll go like that again from the top without music. A bit faster to the actual speed, and then we'll move on, yeah? Actually, no, we'll try music after that. Cool, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and ta, 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 toom, ta, 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 ta.
I wanna see the light with no light switch. Pretending you is nice, you ain't nice. Ain't never made you big, I make mine great. I made this flavor taste, you just bite it.
Notice when I'm doing this part, I kind of use my hip. You don't have to do that, but it gives them more depth and more flavor, and I think it makes it chill. This part gets a bit tricky. So after boom, 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 ba, 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 what you're gonna do is, do you ever know when you trip over, you kind of catch yourself? This is literally that move. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna fall onto a leg and then catch yourself, bring yourself up. Sounds crazy, but it's actually not. So what you're gonna do is ta, ta, ta. You're gonna fall onto the right leg. You're gonna step on your left first. You're gonna go and fall. So ball change again, left, right. Yeah, but when you do that, you're gonna try and get as low as possible. So you're gonna go and fall. See how I'm catching myself with my left arm? And then your right arm is gonna come behind you. Woo! So you're gonna go and pick yourself back up. And what you're gonna do when you land, when you bring your left forward, you're just gonna roll your hips. So together that goes ba 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 ba, ta 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 ta, and da da da. So I'm stepping into my hip roll. I'm going ta. 2 rolls, yeah? So let's take it back. Let's go from here. 5, 6, 7, and ba 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 ba. Cool? Let's move on. We're running out of time a little bit, but let's move on. So you're gonna go ta ta, boom, ta. We're just gonna reset, and when I have a reset move, my reset move is this: 1, 2, 3, 4. When I do that, you know the next section is coming up. Cool? So you're gonna go ta ta, boom, ta, step, 2, 3, 4. Cool? From here, moving on, you're gonna go. This part is a Vogue move and it's called a catwalk, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit into your hip and you're just gonna go ha, ha. So sitting into the right hip, you're gonna go ta, ta, ta. See how my left hip is coming arm up each time? When you do that, it's just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So my knee is turning in and out. Yeah? When you do that, your arm is gonna go like this. So left hand on your hip, right hand blade to the sky. And you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Into the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, easy. You're gonna go step on left leg. 1, 2. You're gonna go ta, ta, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ta. Yes. Yes, it is. Cool. So let's rewind and take it back. So let's go from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Ta, ta, ba, ba, ba. You're gonna go 4. Ta. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Load. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Cool. A bit faster. Same place. 5, 6, 7, and ta, 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 ta. Boom, boom, ba, ba, ba. And 4. Ta, ta, ta. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Cool. Let's try and move it.
I wanna see the light with no light switch. Pretending you is nice, you ain't nice. Ain't never made your bed, I make mine great. I made this flavor taste, you just bite it. I know that, bucket empty, but my life's so packed. Not trying to win, I don't hold back. Got a lot to say, I don't hold back. I'm an action girl, working with a lot of passion, girl. Make my own way past you, don't pass.
Pretty much it. One note I realized is that when you go ta, 1, 2, and you're gonna do 2 of these. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and straight away into that part. Yeah. We have one more section, and then that's it. Cool. But let's just move on. Sweet. Alright, from here, so you went 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ta, ba, 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 ta. From here, you're literally just gonna slow it down. You're gonna go, knees are gonna open. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to each side. Knees are opening each time, but you're gonna lean to each side when you're doing that. Yeah? It's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm kind of like, it's like I'm running with my arms. So you add that together. Yeah? So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So this first 4 counts is gonna be really soft. And then you're gonna do the same move, but you're gonna go hundi. So the hundi means hard out, yeah? So together it goes 5, 6, 7, and boom. Ta, 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 and go. 2, 3, 4. Slow it down one more time. One more time. Hoop, 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 hoop. Cool. And that's that section. And that brings us to the end of the clip. That's the workout. I'm gonna do it with you though, take it back and do it from the start without music, and then we're gonna jam it 3 times all together, and then I'll show you one more time. Cool? Alright, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, ta, ta, ba, 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 and ta, ta, boom. Ba 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 ba, ta 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 ta. 4, ha ha ta ta, step and first, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 3, and ta ta, ha 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 ha, 2, 3, 4, boom, and boom, and again, boom, and boom. That's it.
I wanna see the light with no light switch. Pretending you is nice, you ain't nice. Ain't never made your bed, I make mine great. I made this flavor taste, you just bite it. I know that, bucket empty, but my life's so packed. Not trying to win, I don't hold back. Got a lot to say, I don't talk back. I'm an action girl, working with a lot of passion, girl. Make my own way past you, don't pass me, girl. So you won't toss back the torch, ain't gon' light, but you got a mass destroy, huh?
Well done, guys. I am popped out. Thank you everyone for tuning in. Feel free to tag me. My Instagram is Justyce Petelo and hashtagging fitness in the Fale. Yeah? Oh my god. I pop out.